Alright, so, as most of you know, my name is Jasmine. I don't want to get into detail about, like, my name or my age, all that crazy crap. But I decided to make a video that's just for, like, my boyfriend and I. We've been through a lot. Like, it's crazy how much shit him and I have gone through in the past 4 months of our relationship. We went through fights, through moving out and trying to live on our own, to moments where they're unforgettable, and they're always going to be right here, no matter what happens between him and I. I mean, I hope that I'm with him for a really long time, because I love him. And right now, I just want this video to be made so everyone can see it, just to let everyone know that, yeah, I know that there can be more effort from him in getting to know the family and getting to hang out with everyone. And I've talked to him about that, and we're going to try, and he's going to try to get to know all my family better, and just in hopes that my family do realize how much I love him, and that this is probably one of the best relationships I've had. And Lance, I really do love you, and things are going to change for the better, of course. And I just want you to know that no matter what happens, I'll always be by your side. And if you choose to start fighting again and training to fight, I'll support you. But just know that there will be parts of me wanting to tell you not to do it. But it's something that you like to do and you enjoy doing, so not going to take away what you find passionate in. Right now I'm going to make a fool of myself. And there's this one song that makes me a lot of memories still through our relationship. And I just hope that you enjoy it, and everyone don't judge me on my horrible singing. But here goes nothing. Be happy whether you know it or not. We should be happy. That's what I said from the start. I am so happy knowing you are the one that I want for the rest of my days. For the rest of my days. You're all of my days. You're looking so cool, you're looking so fine. I can't deny, I'm staring you down right in the eye. I want to try to be the person you want, the person you need. Hard to think somebody like you could be with somebody like me. I'm happy knowing that you are mine. The grass is greener on the other side. The more I think, the more I wish that you could lay here hours and just reminisce. Oh, you're looking so close in my eye. Why, oh why did I not see this before? The girl I adore was right in front of me. Now I'll take a step back and look you in the eye and ask you why it took so long to choose and to be. I'm happy knowing that you are mine. The grass is greener on the other side. The more I think, the more I wish that we could lay for hours and just reminisce. The good, the bad, the ugly, the smiles, the laughs, the funny, or all the things we put each other through. It's for you, for you, for you. You make me happy, whether you know it or not. We should be happy. That's what I said from the start. I am so happy knowing you are the one that I want for the rest of my days. The rest of my days. I'm happy knowing that you are mine. The grass is greener on the other side. The more I think, the more I wish that we could live here for hours and just reminisce. Oh, alright. And that was that. I know I just made a really big fool of myself, but I can do one more song. That song just kinda is an us song. But the song, I'm gonna sing a song that you said reminds you of me. And this is me singing it to you, knowing that, for you to know that I do recognize it, and the song is very true. I gotta look it up, hold on. But on a better note, I do love you, Lance, and I just hope to spend forever with you. But here we go. I've never really listened to this song where I had time to comprehend the lyrics like I have with Happy and all my other favorite songs. But here we go. When I'm alone in my room, sometimes I stare at the wall, and in the back of my mind, I hear my conscience call, telling me I need a girl who's as sweet as death. For the rest of my life, I see that I need love. I was giggling about the games that I had played with many hearts, and I'm not saying no names. Then the thought occurred, teardrops made my eyes burn, as I said to myself, look what I've done to her. And I thought about it, I feel better. Don't like bleed, pretend that I'm here. Laugh and say that I love you. In the ear, whispering and I love you and I'll always be here. Alright. We're just going to do it. And the warmth that is created by a girl and a boy need love. I need love. Romance shared, the lighthouse sweet. I gotta find me a girl to make my life complete. You can scratch my back, we'll get cozy and huddle. I'll lay down my jacket and sleep around the clothes. I'll give you my rose before you sleep. Kiss you on the cheek and say, oh girl, you're so sweet. Stay through, I'm living with you. You can go on forever telling me what I do, but where you were, I don't know. I swear I can't find you here anywhere. This love search is making me bug. And if you know who you are, and still be so chances are. Alright. If there is a way I can cut that out, I really would. But this video is going to be like 10 minutes long. I really sucked at that. I'm really sorry. But just know that I tried, and I will make a better one. And it'll be better than but just know that there is a lot between us that some people don't really connect to. People don't really understand. Like you said before, it's just people looking in at our relationship. It's not us really proving our relationship to the public, so to speak. But I guess I'm gonna stop, but just know that I love you, and I'll always be here, and if you do choose to fight, I'll always be by your side. And you're the best boyfriend ever, and I love you with all my heart. and I hope to spend a really long time with you. I don't know how to end this. I'm actually just know that I love you, and that I will always be here, no matter what. And I guess this is my way of saying sorry for the way I've been treating you the past couple days. So, I'm sorry and I love you. And I hope things can go back to the way they were. I'm gonna stop before I start crying. Alright, I love you, baby. Don't forget, stay strong.